Vocabulary builder. Yield and wield. Master the meaning, roots, usage and contrast. Small blue diamond 1. Yield. Etymology. From Old English gieldan, to pay, give, restore, linked to Proto-Germanic geldana conveys the idea of giving, producing, or surrendering. Core meanings. 1. To produce or generate, results, crops, returns. 2. To give way or surrender, physically or metaphorically. 3. In finance, return on investment. Synonyms. Produce. Generate. Deliver. Surrender. Relinquish. Antonyms. Withhold. Resist. Retain. Oppose. Mnemonic. Yield equals you give, something is given out, profit, crops, control. Yield in context. Tech. The rooftop solar panels yield enough electricity to power the entire apartment during summer. Business. In a tense office negotiation, she refused to yield to unreasonable deadlines despite pressure from management. Brain quick think. Can you use yield in a sentence about your own work or studies? Small blue diamond 2. Wield. Etymology. From Old English wieldan, to control, rule, dominate, related to wald, power, emphasizes control and authority. Core meanings. 1. To hold and use power, influence, or a tool effectively. 2. To exercise control or authority. Synonyms. Handle. Command. Exercise. Control. Brandish. Antonyms. Mismanage. Lose control. Surrender. Relinquish. Mnemonic. Wield equals world influence, execute leadership directly, you control or use something actively. Wield in context. Social media / influence. As a social media strategist, he can wield public opinion with a single viral post. Corporate leadership. The CEO wields significant influence over hiring decisions across all departments. Brain quick think, who in your life wields authority or influence? How do they use it? Yield versus wield. Yield. Passive output giving way. Produces a result, crops or profits. Surrenders to pressure. Something comes out of it. Often used with results, returns, benefits. Wield. Active control, using power. Exercise power or authority. Uses a tool or influence actively. Something goes into action. Often used with power, influence, control. Both words together. Using yield and wield in the same sentence reinforces the contrast. In corporate settings, those who wield authority often expect quick results, but real innovation rarely yields under pressure. She refused to yield during the debate, even though her opponent skillfully wielded data and statistics. Tech companies that wield massive data power must ensure it yields benefits for users, not just profits. Yield equals passive, something comes out. Wield equals active, something goes into action. Review and practice. Q1, fill in the blank, the investment ___ a 12% annual return. Answer, yield, yielded. Q2, fill in the blank, the general ___ his sword to signal the charge. Answer, wield, wielded. Q3, choose the correct word, she ___ enormous power in the boardroom, and that power ___ results. Answer, wield. Yield. Great work! Keep reviewing these words in new contexts to internalize them. Direct hit.